Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Finally, the day has come for the hop, and if you have seen the teaser video that I have uploaded a few days ago regarding today, the save the date, now is the day. I am so excited. So like I have mentioned on the teaser, that this is a hop which is hosted by my good friend Carolina from Carolina's Creations-Handmade. First, let me briefly introduce to you my co-hoppers. First, our hostess, Carolina from Carolina's Creations-Handmade. And if you visit her channel, you will be in awe of her work. They are impeccable. Carolina and I go way back when I was starting here on YouTube. She is one of those that have been my friend, and we've been supporting each other's channel, and she is a wonderful crafter, very talented, and she is very generous. Next is Amber from Lyric Lover 810 or Lyric Lover 810, and she is an amazing crafter as well. She actually has a series of craft fair ideas, so if you're into those craft fairs, go ahead and look into her channel for more inspiration. Last but not the least is the Scrappy Bookworm 1. She is also an amazing crafter, and her name is Cynthia. She is wonderful, great talent. Her work is impeccable as well, like the other two. I mean, I'm telling you, these three are magnificent crafters, and I am so admiring all their work. So please head out to their channel, subscribe, and tell them that I sent you. Now, I will be linking down below the links to either their video or to their channels. I will also include in the description box below the prizes that you will win, as well as the rules, so that you can also participate in the giveaway. Each of us will be creating 3 Dollar Tree craft ideas that you can use whether you will be participating in a craft fair soon, or if you're trying to look for ideas for gifts and or home decor, especially with the holiday season coming up. So what I'm going to be doing is my very first winter home decor here in my channel. I just want to give you a heads up that on this video I will only show you the process of making the first project, which is what I'm showing right now, and then the other two I will be showing in a future video. For my first DIY, I'll be using this magnetic tin. This is the large size that you can get at the Dollar Tree. There's a little bit of glitter there because I have kind of sprinkled some glitter accidentally earlier, but that's okay because I'm going to be using glitter for this project anyway. I am also going to be using this plaid ornament, and it's made of cardboard material and there's some fabric on the top, but I am going to be using just the tree. Next, I am going to be using some form of backing or backdrop for my tree. I'm just showing you some examples here that you can use depending on the theme that you're going for. These are from the Dollar Tree. They come in 5 in a pack, and these are the poster boards, and they're metallic in different colors. So there's gold, silver, green, blue, and red. Now I have a scrap here from my previous project. It's in silver. But what I'm actually going to use is one of the sheet or part of a sheet from a paper pad that I got at Michael's, and this was last year, and I only purchased this for $4 when they had their hot buy sale or clearance, originally $19.99, and I purchased this for $4 only. So I've chosen this piece because this will just be kind of like snowflakes and the tree will pop. I flipped over the paper and then traced with a pencil the bottom part of my magnetic tin. I cut it to size. Using my hot glue gun, I'm applying glue to where I'm going to be putting the circle or that round paper that I cut out. Then I'm going to be putting the paper. I'm just gonna embellish my metal tree for a bit here using some glitters. And the Dollar Tree sells glitters as well, like this one here. I applied a thin coat of Mod Podge and then poured the glitter over the tree. Next, I'm preparing my Mod Podge. I'm using the glossy finish, but you can actually use even the matte finish. Using my brush, I'm going to be applying Mod Podge on top of the paper. Now that the Mod Podge is dry, I'm going to be using this foam adhesive to attach my metal tree, and I am just going to be measuring it to size. Just want to make sure nothing is peeking from the back. And it looks like this is a little wide, so I'm going to be cutting it in half. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be connecting them one on top of each other. That way it will make the tree a little bit more raised, so a little bit more 3D. But before I attach that to the backdrop, I'm going to be cutting the blings. I am using the height of this tin to measure the bling wrap that I'm going to be using to embellish the inner part of this metal tin. And I'm flipping it over so that I can see where I will make my mark using a pen. And then I'm going to be cutting the bling wrap to size, and then I'm going to be adhering it to the inner part of the tin can. Then I added my tree. Next, I'm going to be embellishing the part of the lid that has the metal. So I'm just going to let this video show you what I've done in fast motion. It's up to you if you want to put the ribbon like this, because it twists, right? Or up here, or to the side, diagonal, or top, anywhere you want. So with craft fair idea number 2, we'll use an LED candle from the Dollar Tree. And here's the preview. So I've decided, like with my other coal hoppers, that I am just going to be sharing one process in the interest of time, and so that you can also benefit from the tutorial. I really want to teach you everything, not just shortcuts when it comes to my DIY tutorials. I don't want to put 3 tutorials here and it'll be too long. And on that video, I'm also going to show you how to overcome the challenges like removing bubbles, choosing the materials, and so on and so forth. So just watch out for that tutorial. It will be up soon after this one. Probably I'll just wait a day, so I will have a tutorial the next day again showing the process video for this candle and also the third one, which is the frame. And for the third craft fair idea, this is inspired by the pixie dust housewife, and I'm going to be linking her down below. This is not an original idea. Again, this is inspired by her, and I just want to give credit to where credit is due. So tune back in again as I try to give a different take on her tutorial or her idea and give you another way to create this beautiful piece. So that's it, everyone, for my $3 tree craft fair ideas. Don't forget to read the description for more details on the giveaway, and don't forget also to watch the videos of each of the participants or my co-hoppers. Please make sure to subscribe to each of our channels as well as click like, and please leave a comment that states that you love to craft using Dollar Tree items in the comment section down below, so that I know that you are indeed participating in the giveaway. So that's one of the requirements for my channel. I think the other channels will have their own requirements when it comes to the comments, because we will be picking out the winners through the comments section. So talk to you again until my next video, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.